Hey guys, just want to do a walk around on my car. A lot of you have been asking for that, so I can show off like things I've done to it. Here's those red tail lights and then the blinkers here. As you can tell, they are really bright. You can't really tell from the video, but they're still bright, and that's just a stock incandescent bulb. I'm probably gonna switch them to LEDs here shortly, just to be a little bit brighter and to keep with the whole LED theme. But here's everything I've done with the wheel delete, the chrome delete on the wheels. I have the black grill up front. Then I'm running those 3M overlays for the headlights and fog lights. And as you can tell, it doesn't diminish the light at all. So if you guys are looking for those, I'd highly recommend them again. It's a little been raining here a lot, but a little break in the rain. I thought I could do this quick little video for you guys. The next thing I'm going to do is do the blackout chrome delete over the windows. I have that. I just need to get around to installing that, but that'll really set it off. Hope everything's going good, guys. Again, appreciate all your guys' support with my channel. Any questions, feel free to leave them below. Appreciate it. Thanks, everybody.